Hello everyone and welcome to our latest video where we'll be diving deep into the new HTC Vive XR Elite, the company's latest and greatest virtual reality headset. In this video, we'll be taking a look at everything you need to know about the Vive XR Elite, from its design and comfort to its specs and features. We'll also be showing you some hands-on gameplay demos and giving our thoughts on the overall experience. So if you're in the market for a new VR headset or just curious about the Vive XR Elite, then make sure to stick around for the whole video. The HTC Vive XR Elite boasts a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and functional. The headset itself is made of high-quality materials and feels durable and sturdy in the hand. The black and silver color scheme gives it a sleek and professional look, making it perfect for both gaming and professional use. The Vive XR Elite is very comfortable. The headset is incredibly lightweight and it sits comfortably on the head thanks to its ergonomic design. The back of the headband features a soft rubber that keeps a good grip on the back of your head, while the gasket, or the part that sits on your face, is made of a very nice nylon kind of texture that feels really good and is very soft. The gasket is also magnetic and can be easily adjusted for the perfect fit and pressure on your face. The included diopters also make a huge difference in terms of how many people can finally get around to experiencing VR. Now, let's talk about the display and technology of the HTC Vive XR Elite. This headset boasts a resolution of 1920 by 1920 per eye, which is a significant improvement over the previous generation. The display is also 90 Hz, which means that the visuals are smooth and fluid, making it perfect for fast-paced games and action-packed experiences. But that's not all. The Vive XR Elite also comes with a depth sensor and helps to reflect the physical space you're in. This means that the virtual world you're in will be more realistic and immersive than ever before. And with the built-in RGB camera, you'll be able to see what's in front of you, even when you're in the virtual world. This feature is perfect for those moments when you need to take a break and step back into the real world. One of the standout features of the HTC Vive XR Elite is its advanced hand tracking and motion control capabilities. As mentioned, the hand tracking on this device is incredibly precise and responsive, allowing for a much wider range of motion than other VR headsets like the Meta Quest. The ability to use your full range of motion in VR makes for a much more immersive experience. The hand tracking on the Vive XR Elite is also very reliable, with the user only experiencing a loss of tracking when trying to hide their fingers. This is a huge improvement over other VR headsets on the market, and it makes a big difference in how intuitive and natural the VR experience feels. In addition to hand tracking, the Vive XR Elite also features advanced motion control capabilities. With the device, you can control virtual objects with precision and ease, whether you're playing an air guitar game or conducting an orchestra. The finger on the trigger feature allows for even more precise control, and it adds an extra level of immersion to the VR experience. Another great feature of the Elite is its built-in headphones, which deliver a high-quality audio experience. The headphones are adjustable and offer a comfortable fit, so you can wear them for long periods of time without discomfort. But the Elite's audio capabilities don't stop there. The headset also features advanced 3D spatial audio technology, which allows you to hear sounds from all around you, just as if you were in the same room as the source. This makes for an even more realistic experience, whether you're playing a game or watching a movie. The Elite also offers audio with a noise-canceling microphone. This allows for clear communication with other players or people in your virtual environment. Plus, it also helps block out background noise so you can focus on the task at hand. The HTC Vive XR Elite offers a wide range of games and content to choose from, thanks to the partnership between HTC Corporation and Valve Corporation. Not only are there new, exclusive games developed specifically for the Vive XR Elite, but many previous VR games are also compatible with it. One of the demos showcased at CES was the Maestro demo, where the user controls an orchestra using hand tracking and motion control features. Another demo was the air guitar demo, where the user can strum and pluck virtual strings, immersing themselves in the music experience. The Vive XR Elite also offers a variety of other games and content, such as puzzle games, action games, and even educational experiences. The HTC Vive XR Elite is equipped with an RGB camera on the front of the headset that allows for pass-through functionality. This means you can see what's in front of you in the real world even when you're in virtual reality. The camera also has a depth sensor that helps to make sure what you're seeing in the virtual world matches up with the physical space around you. This is a great feature for those who need to take a break from their VR experience but don't want to completely remove the headset. You can easily see what's going on in the real world and then jump back into VR when you're ready. The camera is also a great tool for other uses, such as taking photos and videos, or even typing out messages on your phone. It's a high-quality camera that can be used for a variety of different purposes. The HTC Vive XR Elite comes in at a price point of $1,100. While this may seem pricey, especially compared to the $400 Meta Quest 2, it's important to consider the added quality improvements and accessibility features that come with the Vive XR Elite. The headset boasts a higher resolution than the Meta Quest 2, as well as improved hand tracking and motion control capabilities. Additionally, the inclusion of built-in glasses and diopters allows for a wider range of users to comfortably experience VR. It's also worth noting that the Vive XR Elite is a standalone headset, while the Valve Index requires the use of base stations, adding to the overall cost. The Vive XR Elite is set to release pre-orders in March 2023, so be sure to keep an eye out for its availability. So, in conclusion, the HTC Vive XR Elite is a powerful and innovative virtual reality headset that offers a truly excellent VR experience. With its sleek design, comfortable fit, advanced display and technology, precise hand tracking and motion control, high-quality audio and sound, and a wide range of games and content, it is the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their VR adventures to the next level. So, what do you think about the HTC Vive XR Elite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget, the HTC Vive XR Elite will be available in March 2023, so make sure to keep an eye out for it. If you're interested in pre-ordering or learning more about this exciting new product, be sure to visit the HTC website and stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the virtual world.